Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make $1,000 a month on YouTube, and if I could do it, you could do it. So let's get started. Okay, so just to give this video a little bit of credibility, as you can see, I currently have over 18,000 subscribers, and within the last 28 days, this channel generated over 144,000 views, over 5,000 hours of watch time. And as you can see, the revenue of the last 28 days is $1,564.60. Another thing that should be noted here, you can see that my most recent videos haven't had like the insane amount of views. As you can see, a video I uploaded 3 hours ago has about 30 views, and then this video here has 198, 250, 160, and this one did pretty well, 475 views. Let's see here. The best video I did as of recently is this Bitcoin video that had 3,000 views. So you can get this amount of money without having thousands upon thousands of views each video, but the views has to be coming from somewhere. So as you can see, within the last 48 hours, a couple of my how-to videos have been doing insanely well. As you can see, my how to cook rice video made almost 3,000 views, and then this Bitcoin video over 2,000, and my how to sell on eBay video 1,000 views. So constantly on the back end, while my newer videos aren't necessarily doing the greatest, I have a huge catalog of videos that continue to get views on the back end while I try to make newer videos that could potentially gather some traffic and pull more views on the back end. So the more videos I make, the more chance that somebody's going to be clicking on one of my videos while the day goes on. Hence, this is the best way of passive income for me, because every time I upload a video, there's a chance that somebody could watch that video 2 months, 3 months down the line, or 5 years from now. And every time that happens, I get paid for it a little bit. So my best advice for people as of right now is start on YouTube today and start building your catalog of videos, because as of this moment in time, you guys can see that I have 172 videos on my channel, and it's only going up every time that I upload a video. Scrolling down, you can see how many views I'm getting on the daily. As of recently, got 8,000 views for a single day, and I think they averaged the amount that you get per day, because I'm not sure if I got like 10,000 views on a single day. It's probably split between these two, and I got like 12,000 views between a 48-hour period. So been doing well as of right now. You can see that every time I upload a video, my views have been going up, up, and up. So you have to make videos that anybody could search for or anybody could watch weeks, months, years down the line. Hence that video that I made of me showing you guys how to make rice with a rice cooker. That video was made, as you can see right here, October 7th of 2019. So that video is still getting views, and I'm predicting this video on how to buy Bitcoin is going to continuously get views as time goes on, because I only made this video on July 18th of 2020. So what is my process of making these types of videos? So what I do is I think about a particular topic that I want to cover. For example, Bitcoin was a topic that I wanted to cover because it is a trending topic as of this point in time. So I thought, what type of video can I make involving Bitcoin, since that's all everyone's talking about? So I decided how to buy Bitcoin. That's a decent topic. So I started typing it in on YouTube, how to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so here you can see that it autofilled to multiple options here. So I decided to try going after the first one here, or the second option here. So how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. I was like, I have Cash App. I know how to use Cash App. I could easily make that tutorial. So let's click on that, see what happens when you search. And as you can see, I am the top search result for these keywords. And that's why I'm going to continuously do on my YouTube channel, because I know that every time I make these types of videos, they get a lot of views on the back end, even though initially it might only get like, 50, 100, 200 views. The more people search for it, obviously the more views it gets, and the more money that particular video makes for me, and the more channel authority I have with those particular keywords. So just an idea for you guys, think about a topic, type in how to, and involve that particular topic somehow, and eventually you could get paid on YouTube. And I have other videos showing you guys how you guys can make money on YouTube, but let me know what particular topics you guys want me to focus on, and I'll be sure to talk about it. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.